what's up? This is Giridhar here. Welcome to another video in Gadget Detail, and today we are here with Mr. Shripal Gandhi, who is the CEO and founder of Swipe Technologies. Swipe Technologies have been a big player in the tablet market in India. Recently they are in the news for their awesome lineup of Swipe Lite devices. So in August 2015, Swipe came up with the first Swipe Lite mobile, and then later on followed by the Swipe Lite 2 in November 2015. And in April 2016 they came up with the Swipe Lite Note, and today we are with this device, the Swipe Lite Plus. So the Swipe Lite Plus is an awesome device in my opinion. I'm going to talk about this device later on in coming up videos, but in this video let's talk to Mr. Shripal Gandhi and understand a bit more about Swipe Technologies and their plans in India.
So myself, Shripal Gandhi, I am a chemical engineer by education, but by passion into mobile devices for last few years. After my so I was in Valley for 6 years in US in Palo Alto, working on mobile devices and developing touchscreen for next generation mobile devices. Worked with nanotechnology startup, through them worked with Motorola, Samsung and also Apple, developing touchscreen for iPhone before even iPhone were launched in the world. Stumbled upon this opportunity of giving an affordable Apple to India and moved back, and that's how Swipe came into being, with this whole one-liner philosophy. Hey, can we give something which is truly an ecosystem provider than just an hardware? It's not hardware, it's not either or, like either software or hardware. I think you need everything. You need hardware, you need software, you need right apps, you need right ecosystem, you need right firmware, you need right seamless integration so that all the experience of the user is not hampered. So I think it's not about spec anymore. I mean, it's about the whole experience. After you use the device, how do you feel it? Are there a lot of bugs? Does it show a lot of errors? Do app crash? Right? So these are the questions now people have started asking. It's not about whether you are giving 2 GB RAM or 3 GB RAM. I think that's not really holding true anymore, and it will change even as we move forward. I think it will be all about the experience. When it comes to Elite Plus, I was talking to somebody. It's not about the price alone which is disruptive, because I'm sure you will agree, without spec, without being disruptive, or without experience being disruptive, you can't disrupt the market. So that's the reason I said, that word is very important, that, disruption. So because there is no product in the country today which is having a processor from Qualcomm, a display from Sharp which is full HD. It is not HD, it is full HD, 1920 by 1080 resolution. Camera 13 MP back camera, 8 MP selfie camera from Samsung, 3050 mAh marathon battery which is lithium polymer. On top of this, basically octa-core 64-bit processor, powered by Freedom OS. So much of customization, right? And there is no product like this even less than 10,000, 12,000 rupees, right? So that really makes it truly disruptive. Camera 13 plus 8. You compare this camera with iPhone, and I really appeal all of you to please compare the camera with iPhone. We have done our research. The image quality is spectacular. So now here we are talking about a device. Now think about it. So iPhone is like 50,000 bucks, 40,000 rupees iPhone. You are giving this, whether it is Google Nexus, the HTC or the Sony, equally good or even better specs in some cases, but at what, 1/4 of the price, making it 6,999. That's the disruption I'm talking about. So very good question. Anything which is about UI, UX or the experience of the product, definitely we count on our users. We have a beta tester team which is of power users, you can say. The first 50, and then there are 100, first 100. So any product, even this has gone through that iteration. Like first 50 devices, people used it for 2 weeks, day in, day out. All the bugs were debugged, all the queries were addressed, and only after the superb, spectacular feedback from them, we went into mass production. If we can reduce one step or even one touch, we will go ahead and do that. Best example I'll give you. You open any, let's say for instance, you open any Android, stock Android, go to contacts, go to call logs, and now you want to, let's say you call me, now Giri wants to send me an SMS. How will you do? You have to go first open, then home key, then call logs, then go to my name, then open my contact, and then click on send SMS.
Okay.
Right? 5 steps. Our dialer in this, if you see this is single. I opened 2, and now let's say for instance there is this gentleman Nitesh Agarwal. I want to send him a message. Boom.
Oh, okay.
There is already here. If I click here, it opens the SMS bit.
Okay.
Saving 2 steps, right? That's UI UX for us.
Okay.
You know, I think that's actually a trade secret, but I think the reason we've been able to manage this is twofold. One is the efficiency which we bring in from the manufacturing process, and second is the efficiency which we bring in from our business model, which is a B2C through Flipkart. So there is no middleman here, right? So it is unlike the conventional offline retail, wherein you have brand, CNF, super stockist, distributor, dealer, and customer, right? It's a 6-layer structure. In this case, it is Swipe, Flipkart, consumer. So you save 4-layer here, bringing in efficiency. Every layer had its cost. But the biggest efficiency has come from the manufacturing process, because we have really gone partner with the component level player here, whether it is Qualcomm, whether it is Sharp, whether it is Samsung, at this component level player, and really bringing in huge efficiency to make this device truly disruptive. Whatever penny we have saved, we have tried to pass it on to our consumer. So as far as the accessories is concerned, we are working on a very cool, very innovative kind of a high-end accessories. So these are the kind of cover which we are coming up with. Okay. Today I did not announce it, but I think they will be available. You see the Swipe branding here. There is a cutout for Swipe Elite, so this is how it's gonna look like. Okay. Very cool. So you have the whole Swipe Elite metal logo will be seen. There is a slit for camera. And the material is very unique. So again, there we have focused a lot on ergonomic design and the material. So this will be available again on Flipkart maybe in next 3 to 4 days from today. Okay. We are getting a lot of requirement, a lot of demand from our customers or the fans. So working really hard on that. So maybe in quarter from now you will see some cool stuff coming from accessories. Yeah, that's cool. I think Swipe has always believed giving high-end spec at an affordable price, and I think high-end is you call it high-end because you price it high-end. That's not what we believe in. But having said that, we are certainly working on some really cool, super premium devices, which will be soon announcing as we move forward. But 2016, you will see a lot of action from Swipe. Okay. So manufacturing. So Swipe is building a manufacturing unit, which is again, which is not for a super low cost feature phone, because we don't do that. It is into mid to high end smartphones. So we want to be able to design and assemble and manufacture phone like this, of this quality, of this, right here in India, under this whole Make in India initiative by our honorable Prime Minister. So I think the effort is going in that direction, with a full-blown test lab, R&D facilities. So that is the direction in which we are going forward. We have our facility coming up, which is near Pune, in Chakan, very close to Mercedes-Benz plant. So I think within next 60 days, we should be able to start shipping products from our factory. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much. Really appreciate it.
So I would like to thank Mr. Shripal Gandhi for sparing his time and answering all our questions patiently. Do look out for more details about the Swipe Elite Plus in this channel, and do hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you like the video, do hit the like button and also share the video with your friends. This is Giridhar signing off.